Hello there. So today we'll do some vocab workup, and we will use today's verb jechać, which is in the imperfective, and pojechać, which is in the perfective. If you still don't know what perfective and imperfective means and what the verb means, you can go back to the link I'm gonna link here. It's about the daily word where I talk about each verb of these and what they mean and how to conjugate them separately. Okay, and if you know, or if you just know what they mean, you don't have to go back there, and you just can continue with me here doing this lecture. Okay, so this verb is used in Polish when somebody is going somewhere using a car, bus, or anything else but walking on feet. So if you're not walking, if you're not using the feet, you use the verb jechać or pojechać. However, if you're walking, you don't use jechać, pojechać, you use the verb, as we said before, use the verb iść. Okay, I'll just write it in Polish. Or pójść. Oh my god. Okay. I've also talked about them, so let's just talk about the examples. Jadę do teatru. Okay? So it means I am going to the theater. I'm driving to the theater. Okay? Because in English you can say I'm going to the theater, but in English it can sound like there's no specification if it's on foot or by car. Okay, so if you want to specify jadę, you will say I am driving to the theater. Okay. Okay. Kiedy kwarantanna się skończy, pojadę na plażę. When quarantine ends, I will go to the beach. You can see. Okay, so kwarantanna is quarantine in English. It's close. Się skończy is a verb, which means it ends. Się skończy, when it will end. Pojadę, I will go to the beach. Why I will go? Because pojadę is a perfective aspect. So it's by its own a future form. If you wanna use the imperfective aspect, you would say będę jechał. I've talked about this. Go and check the daily verb about this. It's really short. Because otherwise you would not understand what's the difference between pojechać and jechać, okay? Okay. Czy kiedyś pojedziemy w góry? Will we go someday to the mountains? So pojedziemy, we will go. Góry, mountains. Góra, one góra is mountain. W góry idziemy, pojedziemy. It means that we are going through the góry. Some people might say that why do we say góry and not górze, since we have this preposition here, the v, which indicates a locative form. No, here it doesn't indicate a locative form. Why? Because we are going through. It's like when you say I am going to the mountains, you can say in Polish pojedziemy w górę. It's like we are going in through the mountains. So it's not a locative anymore. It's a drive-through. Okay, so you don't use the locative form here. And of course, I will link the locative lecture in my description, or I will put it here at the end as a video so that you can see it. Okay. Kiedyś means, by the way, someday. Okay, we still have one example. Last month we went to the south. W zeszłym miesiącu pojechaliśmy na południe. Okay. Okay, so w zeszłym, in, so this is locative. In the last month. Okay, in Polish you use this form. W zeszłym, zeszły means the last or the previous. W zeszłym, not zeszły. Why? Because we have the V, it's a locative form. Miesiąc becomes miesiącu. So generally they are written like this, without the V. Zeszły miesiąc. But now we have the locative that is made by the V. We have to change the form. Yes, zeszły miesiąc. So I have all this explained in the locative video. You can go and check it. W zeszłym miesiącu pojechaliśmy. We drove. Literally we drove. Or in English we went, because in English you can say whatever you want. Na południe. Na here is a preposition usually made for the locative, as we said before. But because we are saying we are going through the south, sorry, we say that we are like we use the form that is not the locative. For example, here, if I want to say I am in the south, I would say jestem na południu. So this is the locative aspect or form. But since I'm driving through, I don't use this aspect. I use a normal aspect. Okay? I hope it was clear. That was all for this video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed, and if something you didn't understand, just tell me.